Here we have a 67 plate Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 4MATIC WHITEART Premium Plus. Now this vehicle comes with the 19-inch AMG multi-spoke alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. We also have the mountain grey exterior paintwork. We have the racing stripes just on the front bonnet there. We also have the daytime running lights as well. Round to the passenger side you find we have the second alloy wheel down here. As you can see, just there in excellent condition. We have the black door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We also have colour-coded door handles. We have the black roof rails as well. The panel glass roof, which is currently open. We have the rear spoiler just there. The third alloy wheel, as you can see, again unmarked. We have front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. We also have the dual exit exhaust as well, and a power assisted tailgate which will open with a simple press of a button just on the remote. Now inside of here you'll find we have plenty of space for whatever you may need, storage net on the right and also on the left hand side as well. We have a 12-volt connectivity just there. If you come back up here, press this button and it will close just like so. And now walking back round to the driver's side, you'll find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if you take a look at the interior, coming inside of the back first, you'll find we have the half leather interior. Again, we have the stripes just here, very nice looking seats. We have the fixed ISO points as well. We have the vents down there for the rear passengers. We also have the electric windows as well on the doors and the premium Harman Kardon sound system. Taking a look at the front, you'll find that we have again the half leather interior. Both these front seats are electrically adjustable with the memory function, and they are also both heated as well, as you can see just there on the doors. We also have the electric windows, tri-lock for the rear. We also have the electric mirrors as well. We have the auto lights, a flat bottomed multifunctional steering wheel which has the paddle shifters on either side. We have the speed limiter and the cruise control just down there. Now if you take a seat inside, then you'll find we have a digital screen in the centre of the dashboard. If we put our foot on the brake, press the start button just down there, then the vehicle will start up for us. And as you can see, we are free from any warning lights, only one being for the fuel, so nothing to worry about. Now we can change the view on the digital screen using this side of the steering wheel. So as you can see, we can flick through different bits of information just here. As you can see, you get lots of different bits of information. We also have the main infotainment screen as well just here. On here you find the likes of the sat nav if we just wait for that to load. We have all of the shortcuts down here, so as you can see we can press onto radio and the radio will pop up just there. We also have a range of media as well for the Bluetooth audio. We have the CD player, we also have the memory card as well. We have the phone connectivity. If we just press onto the phone, you can see we've got the phone connectivity just there. Press it again, you find that we have the Android Auto and also the Apple CarPlay. Go back onto the navigation, then it should have loaded by now, so as you can see we get the map just there. If it loads, as you can see. We also have the ambient lighting. If we go into the vehicle settings, you'll find we have the ambient lighting just across here. All of these colours to choose from. We also have the different drive modes. We have the comfort drive mode, we have sport, individual, we also have off-road and the eco drive mode as well. Further down you find we have the vents just here. We have the shortcuts for the infotainment screen and the radio. Heated seats on either side, both working just as it should do. We also have the hill descent control, the parking sensors, auto start stop. We have the climate controller down here, as you can see, with the air-cooled air conditioning as well. Inside of here you find that we have some storage space with a 12-volt connectivity. Again, some more storage space just inside of there. Two good sized cup holders just there, leather armrests which can be opened up for extra storage, and inside of there you find we have two USB ports. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.